familiar situation? After using the toilet, an unpleasant odor lingers. And there's no air freshener in sight. What to do? There's a simple life hack. All you need is regular matches. Now just extinguish the match and magic happens. The smoke from the match quickly neutralizes unpleasant odors. And there you have it, fresh air without chemicals or expensive fresheners. Advantages of this method. Affordable, matches can be found in every home. Fast-acting, neutralizes odors in seconds. Natural, no chemicals or aerosols. Works anywhere, suitable for home, cottage, cafe, and even public restrooms. No special skills or preparation needed. Now you know this life hack, just keep matches handy. Try it out and let us know in the comments, did it work for you? Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome life hacks.